Hey guys, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I installed a full lace wig. Okay, so I'm going to start by using some bleach and mixing it up and applying it to my lace wig. I'm going to grab a little bit of my bleach and a little bit of my 30 volume developer. I'm going to mix it up. It's going to have a thicker consistency. As you'll see, it's not going to drip or be watery. What we want is for it to lay on the lace and not go through the lace. So the way I test out my bleach is that my brush will stand up straight and not fall over. As you can see, the thick consistency holds my brush up. Now if it just falls over, then you might want to add a little bit more bleach to make it thicker. So now I'm gonna apply this to the lace evenly. I'm not gonna brush it hard because then it'll go through the knots. You want to just lay it on the lace. I'm gonna take a piece of foil and lay it on there and then flip the wig. So I'm going to continue on to washing out my wig. I used a little bit of purple shampoo and washed it and let it sit so that my knots would get rid of some of the orange. And then I'm just going to go through and pluck until I feel that it looks natural and matches my client's hairline. I'm going to follow that by cutting some baby hairs. Some people like baby hairs, some people don't. I personally like the baby hairs because I feel like it helps hide the lace a little bit, especially after it starts lifting. So I'm going to add a few baby hairs just for personality, and then I'm going to use a wrap strip to mold them. And right now I'm also using foam wrap to lay the baby hairs down. I'm not using edge control, I'm not using gel, I'm using foam wrap, which is a smoother mousse. I'm gonna go ahead and add a middle part because my client requested a middle part. Just gonna brush that down. And honestly, you guys, I didn't really feel like that baby hair in the front of the middle part fit my client, so I ended up switching it up and taking that off. And now you can see I'm adding my wrap strip. I'm gonna let this sit and I'm gonna start applying the glue to my client's forehead. Now before you start to apply the glue, make sure you clean it off with some alcohol. Now keep in mind, guys, I am skipping some of my tips and tricks. This is just a quicker video of what I did, just so that my clients who are looking to get one of these installed can get an idea of what the process is like. There are other things that I do to make the wigs look more natural. This just came with time and experience and me taking classes. I will have a more detailed version for those of you guys who would like to learn to install these on my website, but that is not yet available. I will definitely keep you guys updated. If you do want to take the class online, just follow my page on Instagram at Hair by Jasmine, and you will and I will keep you guys updated on when this class will be available. In the meantime, I'm just going to show you guys the quick version of me installing this wig on my client. So now I'm putting the wig on and I'm literally just going to lay this down and start to apply some baby hairs.
That you flashing with that icy pitiful lid. Pretty pies inside a mansion by the beach. The prints all on your face, this suit your style is so unique. Some bands inside your room, designer garments for the week. And that's all on me, I swear that's all on me. You acting like you really want it, you gon' get it. Once I you good, I got you. In your feelings,
now after I'm done laying down her baby hairs, I'm going to take a wrap strip and wrap it really tightly around her forehead, making sure I cover all the lace so that the lace completely melts into her hair. I'm going to let the hair down. I'm going to go forth and just style the hair. For this particular look, she wanted a wet and curly look, so I'm just going to add a little bit of water, foam wrap, and moisturizer. Okay, now that it's set, it's been sitting for about 20 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and take the wrap strip off, and voila, you can see that the lace is completely melted in and secure. There's no lifts, there's no bumps, there's no lace showing. It's completely melted into her hair, and she's loving it. Look at how cute this looks. Wet and coming straight out the scalp, baby. And look at the back. This is one thing I love about full lace wigs. Wow, okay, look at this. Side part, middle part, left part, right part. It's just all kinds of parts, baby. So much fun. Now, full lace wigs are a lot of maintenance. I do have to warn you about that. But anyways, it looks amazing and she's loving it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video.